How to edit text and image. To start this tutorial, grab an image from the internet. Then on the search bar, look for Paint. Once you are in Paint, this time, all you need to do is to paste your copied image. To get one, go to the internet, right-click on an image, tap on Copy. Once you're in Paint, tap on your right-click on your mouse and then Paste. Then in here, reposition or readjust your photo over at Paint. Then tap on the A icon. In here, drag across the screen, depending on where you want the text to be. Over at the top corner, you can adjust the colors of the font as well. You can change this to white, for example. Again, do the same thing. Press the A letter on the settings, and then switch the color to font. Make sure it's color number 1. And then in here, you can type in whatever you need to add as text. You can even adjust the font size. Now save your work. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.